Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. If you are passionate about watches or just getting started, you are at the right place. Have you ever looked at a watch and thought, wow, that looks straight out of a science fiction movie? Well, today's watch might just give you that vibe. Today, we are unboxing and reviewing the Boderry Urban Skeleton, a watch that lets you see the mechanical magic inside. Boderry isn't the first name that comes to mind when you think of skeleton watches, but they have been making some serious moves in the affordable watch market. The watch was delivered to me in this box, which looks fine. Let's quickly unbox it and check the watch and see if it is truly wrist-worthy or not. So this is our watch. To tell you the truth, I had seen pictures of the watch before ordering it, but now I know they just could not capture the beauty of this watch. You have to hold it and see it for yourself to admire it. It has sharp looks and skeleton dial that offers an unobstructed view of the movement. As you lift the watch, you will immediately notice the lightweight feel due to its titanium case, which makes it a great fit for daily wear. Now let's go through the dimensions and specifications. The dial size is 40 mm, makes it suitable for most wrist sizes. Thickness is 12 mm. Lug width is 20 mm, that gives you the plenty of strap options. And lug to lug is 48 mm. The case is made up of titanium and has brushed finish on the case. The watch has a fixed 60mm bezel. The watch features a signed crown with Boderry logo on it. The crown is accented with black rubbering around, which provides better grip on the crown and adds a subtle contrast to the dial. The watch has a transparent case back for the unobstructed view of the movement. Case back did not have much information mentioned except 50-meter water resistance, titanium case, and the Boderry branding. You can see the internals from the front and the back, and the gold-colored rotor complements the exhibition case back. The watch features a sapphire crystal, which provides excellent scratch resistance and durability. However, one downside is the lack of an anti-reflective coating, which means visibility in direct sunlight could be better. At the heart of this watch, there is a customized Hangzhou 7500 movement. Here is a quick breakdown of what it offers. 21 jewels, 28,800 vibrations for smooth and precise operation. 72 hours power reserve, so you can leave it off during the weekends and your watch would still be ticking on Mondays. Accuracy between -15 to +25 seconds per day. A visible mainspring allowing you to guess how much power is left. It's an automatic movement, meaning no battery is required. The rotor is attached to the center pivot and moves with the motion of your wrist, winding the mainspring and keeping the watch running. Overall, the movement seems reliable and offers high-end specs at a competitive price. The skeleton dial gives a clear view of movement, bridges, and gears in action. When you wind the watch, you can see the internals moving. It's just amazing to look at. The hour marker and hands are treated with lume. Here are some lume shots for you. The watch comes with a unique leather strap. The strap has pattern that I have never seen before. When we take a closer look, you can see all these cracks on the strap. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of the strap? Now it's time to try this on and check if it is wrist-worthy or not. The Boderry Urban gives a sleek and modern feel on the wrist, thanks to its well-balanced and lightweight build. The ergonomic case design ensures a snug fit. The strap is soft and fits perfectly. The watch feels great for both casual and formal occasion. The finishing on the watch gives it a premium touch. However, some may find the case thickness slightly noticeable, especially under tighter cuffs. This is how it goes when compared with Boderry Voyager. And this is how it goes when compared with Timex Expedition North Green. If you haven't seen a review on these watches, please click on the link in the description below. In conclusion, the Boderry Urban is an absolute standout given the price category. You get a titanium case, sapphire crystal, 4 Hz movement, and a 72-hour power reserve, all wrapped in a well-proportioned 40 mm skeleton dial. However, there are a few areas where improvement could elevate the experience further. Better finishing on the dial and an anti-reflective coating on the sapphire crystal would make this watch nearly flawless. When compared with other skeleton watches in the same price range, such as Ingersoll watches and some other Chinese brands, the Boderry Urban offers superior material, better movement accuracy, and longer power reserve. If you are looking for an entry-level skeleton watch with an awesome design and solid specs, this one is a great choice. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and remember, every great collection starts with a watch that's truly wrist-worthy. If this video has helped you to decide on Boderry Urban, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more wrist-worthy content. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.